hope you don't lose out in the end.
What if he already has someone else?
Life is too short for us to bore ourselves with it.
So how about you? Do you have someone?
Not really. The person I want wants another.
Does she know?
I wanted to tell her. Then I discovered the reality of the puzzling question. Are you the kind of person that the kind of person you want to love wants to love?
So you're preaching what you don't practice?
She's so dear to me. And I wouldn't want to jeopardize our friendship by telling her how I feel about her, knowing so well that she doesn't see me in the same light as I see her. I'm sorry.
You don't have to apologize.
The woman I love, her name is Kainene.
Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Negodi, the love is a song.
Kainene, I love you. I love you so much.
Your Majesty, please temper justice with mercy.
I am disappointed. I am highly disappointed that my son committed such a heinous crime. Somebody lost his wife because of the evil committed by my son. Nobody deemed it right to put me alone. Ulama, how could you hide such an atrocious act for me? Why did you do that, my wife?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I was considering your health conditions. That was the reason I did not bother to tell you about it. Please, forgive me.
So, what did you do when the man complained about it? What did you do? Nothing. You did nothing. As for you, I am highly disappointed in you, son. And you must pay the price. Officers, I do not want this boy in my presence any longer. Take him out of my presence.
Please, take it easy.
Sorry, Your Majesty. Sorry. You should take it easy.
Swear.
Your Majesty.
Move now.
Read me my rights.
Prince Nnamdi, you are under arrest for stabbing a man to the point of near death. You are advised to stay silent, for whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law. Move.
Your Majesty.
Move now.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please.
Your Majesty.
The reality of how I feel about her is more than a facade. A wonderful feeling of love that gladdens and makes my heart skip at the thought of her. Kainene Chukwu, let us look unto God. Looking at you makes me feel alive, not left alone. And it also makes me feel like I have the whole world in my arms. Kainene, of a truth I look up to God coming to this strange land to serve my fatherland, and eventually nature is blessing me with a parcel of love.
My love, hold me tight. You are my Lord. Makota gonchamalon. True love, Madu Digagi. But I thank God for today. I found you, my love. Negadika love was yasomo. Asom, anasipamono wafuru. Negadika love was yamemo. Anasipamono wafuru. Negadi, kalavi saso. Negadi, kalavi saso. Negadi, kalavi saso. Negadi, kalavi saso. She has fallen in love, Kainene. You are deeply in love.
Kainene Chukwu, what I feel for you so deep and so strong than words can explain.
I really like you a lot. I can't even hide that fact. But I don't want you saying things you don't really mean.
I mean every word I said to you. Initially, I didn't want to say that to you because I don't know how you're going to react to it. But your friendship means a lot to me. And I don't want to do anything awkward.
Oh, come on, Femi. I don't know what your definition of awkward is, but you are a true amplifier of positive energy.
Kind energy. Please, I want you to give us a chance and let's see how things work out. Okay?
Okay then. Let's see how it goes.
Is that a yes?
Oh, come on. You already know how I feel about you. Why do you want to force me to say things?
Say it with your mouth. Let it come from your lips.
Oh, goodness. Femi, can you stop? Please stop. You already know now. What do you want me to say?
Say yes.
I did not say that. Come here.
Kind energy.
Royalty consists of characteristics that are built under relationship. If you are not compassionate and humane, failure is inevitable. Cruelty is a show of weakness, but kindness is a total display of valor. Yes. He disappointed me.
Your Majesty. afternoon, Your Highness. Good afternoon. How is he doing?
It's getting better, Your Highness.
It's okay. Give us a minute.
Okay, Your Highness.
Obinna, I came on behalf of my son. Believe me, he is deeply sorry for what happened. I am sorry too.
Sorry? I came to the palace to complain to you about what your son did to my wife. You assured me you would do something about it. But you relaxed as if nothing ever happened.
So, what do you want? His head on a spike?
Justice. Justice is what I asked for. Justice.
What my son did, I agree, is unforgivable, unpardonable, and he deserved to be punished. But my son is the crown prince, the only heir apparent to the throne. The king will soon leave us. If my son should be convicted and sent to prison, the throne will be empty.
And what about my dead wife? What about my dead wife?
Mr. Obinna, the throne is greater than all of us. Yes. Besides, you took the laws into your hands by coming to murder my son. If we should press charges against you, you will have to be convicted and sent to prison as well. Have you seen it? You are not innocent yourself.
Why are you here?
I came to make peace and to give you an offer.
You're welcome to my house. Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Mama, meet my friend, Femi.
Femi,
Yes, Mama, he's Yoruba.
what is a Yoruba boy doing in our village?
He's a youth corper and
Yes, ma'am.
he teaches at the community school.
Yes.
Femi, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
I
Thank you so
hope
much.
you're enjoying your stay here.
Yes, your people are very nice people.
Good.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Okay, I said let me walk her home. I will be taking my leave now.
I hope I'm not the one chasing you.
No, ma, not at all. Not at all, yes.
Okay.
I'll leave now. Okay?
All right, I'll
You
see
take
you.
care, huh?
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma.
Take care.
Thank you, ma.
Hey, Mama. Oh, Femi, he's just my friend.
Just your friend.
Yes.
It better be just friends. Because I will not have Onye Manu as my in-law.
Mama.
Don't mama me. You are here gallivanting with just friends. When all your mates are in their husband's houses.
Mama, please don't even start.
Kainene, I said I will start. The other day, all the eligible maidens were at the palace, hoping for the prince to choose them, but you were absent.
Okay,
Wait, let me
I've
ask
heard you.
Let me ask you. Does it mean you are allergic to good things, or you
Mama, I've heard you. Please, I've heard you. I'll get married at the right time.
Kainene Chukwu, when is the right time? Eh? Do you think you're getting any younger?
Mama, wait, I thought you were just about going out.
Yes, I am going out, but I will continue talking.
Oh, Mama, bye.
Mama, want to do the right thing. I will continue talking. Just friends. And I don't want to say, oh, just friends. Come back, I go. Just friends. I'm going to go. Oh, you're money.
There is nothing that I will say or do that would be enough to compensate your loss. I am very sorry that the same person that is supposed to protect the life of the citizen is the same person that is causing you this agony and grief. Yes, I was not there when what happened. But I'm sorry, son. That's why I invited you here to plead with you. Sorry, son. Please, just accept this token of 10 million naira from my heart. It is not as if it will raise your dead wife. It will bring her back again. No. It will not bring her back again. But it will assist you in starting a new life. So, son, I'm deeply pained. I'm sorry. Take this token.
This is generous, Your Highness. But like you have said, this cannot bring back my wife, your son murdered. Well, I appreciate you so much, but I can't take this.
Stop making things harder than it already is. My son did not kill your wife. She killed herself.
That is because your son raped her.
Let me remind you that you are standing in the presence of His Royal Majesty, the King of Ogidi Kingdom. So choose your words.
Enough.
for Bina.
Your Majesty.
Like I said, I am sorry.
Your Highness, like I have said, I appreciate your generosity, but I can't take this. I would rather leave everything in the hands of the gods to judge. Yes, Your Majesty. I can't take this. It won't bring back my wife.
I feel his pains, Your Majesty.
If onye metalo bulu, no bulu muge bua ifi metalo mancha. Uchega dikwa nifi nena. Anasingwa maifesela kanako. Makoko na makwele. Ifi metali bulu. Ina banku na jofie. Ichori jisi in this palace. Ina banku na jofie. The eyes of God are here. If onye me follow, I never. I just
It's fine. Father had the mind to lock me up in a police station. Not only locking me up in a police station, he got me transferred to another state. It's fine. Am I that bad? You tell me, am I that bad?
You are not. But don't worry. Everything will be okay very soon. Eh? Just take a chill pill, like you used to say. Don't bother yourself.
I'm sorry for all I've done. I'm deeply sorry for the steps I've taken. I'm sorry for everything I've done to you and your family. I promise to change. Please forgive me. I do not need your apologies, son. All I want is for you to be appropriate and do things the right way. That is all I need from you. I promise to change, Father. I promise to make you proud. If you want to make me proud, you cannot be the king of this kingdom without a wife. Do that before I join my ancestors. Okay, Father, I will work on that. The time is short, son. Do that before I join my ancestors.
What? So you're telling me you're serious with this guy?
Of course. Femi is a cool guy I'm loving.
But he's Yoruba.
But he's human too. A very sweet personality.
My friend is in love, oh. Hey. No. So who will ever think that the almighty Kainene will ever fall in love?
I am even so surprised at myself, Uju.
Are you serious?
Honestly, I have never felt this way for any man before. I don't even know how to explain it, but the feeling is just so sweet, like...
I can't...
You know, I don't know. Stop looking at me now.
My sister. That's why I'm surprised, oh. Anyway, we can't help who we fall in love with. I just wish that the prince will look my direction and know that I actually feel something for him.
Talking about the prince, let me ask you, are you sure you're in love with him? Or you're just emotionally intoxicated with the fact that he's royalty? So which one?
Kaina, I don't know what you're talking about.
You better know.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You better know this girl, you, Uju. Girl.
Is that not the prince car?
It is. What is he doing here? Oh, it's even a guard.
Greetings to this household.
Greetings.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my son. To what do we owe this royal visit?
The prince. Prince Nnamdi requests the presence of Kainene at the palace now.
I hope there is no problem.
No, there's no problem. He only wants to talk.
I'm not going anywhere.
Kainene, Chukwu, you're going. It's rude to refuse the prince's invitation. You can answer him. Kainene, you have to go. It would be disrespectful of you not to answer his call.
But why does he want to see me?
He said he wants to talk. It's just to talk. At least go and hear him out. You know, go?
Please move.
After you now, you say please move.
Mama, I have to be on my way now.
Oh, bye bye. Oh.
Finally! Finally! God, I thank you.
Prince Nnamdi odogwu ogidi dịka na-aba ntutu ka na-abaji onye oji adịrị mma lekwe m anya n'ihu ka ihu si atọ ma amụ odogwu nwoke tete maka na ọ na-awa ahụ ugo aṅụrịa na nakwa na ahụ ugo kwado ahụ ma bụrụke n'eziokwu nwunye gị dịkwa n'ime ara asatọ na ọ bụ ụtọ atọ ma ịmụ echi ịkwa ya ọkụ n'ike ọmụọ n'aka gị aka mgbasị ị ga-achọkwana nwaanyị ka ndị ara ji agbara gị ọta njere n'anya anụkwa na nke ji eme gị ọdachi ekwe na ya ekwe onye ghara na iguje na ugbuo na ọmụ aka ghọkwa ya ogwu nwaanyị techa nri ya ree ofe ya rekwe nnu anụkwa m na dịochi na omenala Igbo dịochi techa nkwụ ọ na-elekwe nkwụ ya ọkwa eziokwu chekezie nwa gị ekele gị kelesie gị ike odogwu ugwu rice wa anụ na-atọ ịta Igbo idesofu maka onye ji ebu efere ha.
Good afternoon. Let's have a seat. God,
please. Get us a drink.
I guess you're on your way to.
Yes, since you're coming from there.
Yes. She's not around.
Where did she go to?
She went to the palace.
What? To do what?
To see the prince.
Why? What for?
How can you be asking that kind of question? What else if not the obvious? See, Femi, I know you like Kainene, but this is the time for you to prove your love for her. Unless you just forget about her.
What are you talking about?
The prince is interested in Kainene. And if you don't do anything about it now, you can as well kiss her goodbye. As for me, I've said my own. No.
Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Negodi, ka love is as
Once again, thank you for, stopping by to see us. And I hope it wasn't difficult for you to pass through the palace gates, because I personally told them that you are coming.
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all.
So how have you been?
Great.
Come on, you should feel free, okay? Relax, okay? I'm here with you, of course. You're safe, huh? Relax, huh? You look tensed.
I'm okay.
Nice.
Thank you. I'm okay, thank you.
Can you take a look at the bottle? That's some Spanish wine, top notch. You're gonna love it.
I'm not interested, thank you. So, why am I here?
First of all, I want to start by apologizing for my unruly behavior towards you. I am very sorry for all of that I have been doing. I feel you should just forgive me and let things go,
My prince, it's okay. I've already forgiven you, and if not, I wouldn't be here.
Are you sure you have forgiven me?
Yes, I have.
Sorry about that. So, looking at the circumstances, I see I don't stand a chance in your life, right?
How do you mean?
You see, I was hoping that you give me a chance to prove how sorry I am and make things right again. Okay?
My prince, I already told you. I have forgiven you. Okay, there is no need for all that. I've already forgiven you.
There is something striking about you. I'm still trying to place it. The way you talk, but that's by the way. But I need to put things right to you. You see me, I do not plead for my friendship. Girls are asking me out and I'm refusing them. They come to this palace, they talk to my mom, they try to woo me, but I refuse them because I know who I am. But here, right here, I am asking you to give me a chance. And here I am, asking you to allow me put this big boy in your life.
Honestly, I'm not sure I quite understand where you're driving at.
Okay, fine. Let me break it down for you. You see, my father, the king, is getting old, and very soon he will be called to glory. Now, as the crown prince of this kingdom, of course you understand our tradition. When my father leaves us, I will definitely, obviously become the next king of this kingdom. Now, for some reasons that may not be achieved because I need a woman beside me. I mean, the day of my coronation, I need a queen beside me. Okay, so that is the reason I called you.
But my prince, I am not interested in being the queen.
You are not interested in being the queen, or you are not interested in me.
I am engaged to someone else.
Better than me? Look, you don't have to play with your destiny. Okay? You have a bright future seated close to you. If I were you, you will embrace it with all joyful and with all eagerness to, look. Think about what you stand to gain. Okay? Think about the riches. Think about the affluence. Think about the personality. Think about the wealth. You can obviously spit away honey given to you. No one does that.
I'm sorry, my prince. I may have to decline. And if there is no other thing to discuss, I think I have to take my leave.
Well, you see, like I said I'm sorry for everything I did to you, which means I'm being patient, okay? So now, I am going to be patient enough to allow you think about what I just told you, okay? And of course, whenever you're done, the palace gate is open for you to come tell me what you have thought about what I said, okay? Remember, you've got the future ahead of you. You don't have to play with it. Don't play with your destiny.
Don't count on it. Please excuse me.
Love is not by force. A force is in a lover. Love is not by force.
I was just coming to your house.
As you can see, I'm on my way out. What is it?
Are we quarreling?
No, we are not. Oh. I'm on my way out. Please.
Uju, you are this thing again, eh?
At what?
You're angry because the prince asked me to come to the palace to see him.
And what is my business if the prince asks you to come to the palace or not? Is it my business? Oh, please. Whatever you have to do with the prince is your business. So don't drag me in it.
Why are you talking like this?
Son, after what you did to her, you cannot actually blame her. It's not entirely her fault. I mean, it's not every girl that is that desperate to ignore a red flag. But my question is this. Why must it be her? Because there are so many other girls that come from influential and reputable family. Then why do you go for a mere commoner, a village girl?
Mom, you're just sounding like you read my mind. Seriously, I've asked myself this question. Why must it be this girl? I have seen girls abroad, everywhere I go. Why must it be this girl?
Then I noticed that there is something spectacular about that girl. I mean, confusing or I don't know. But there's something about her that I really can't understand. Even me, I can't understand why I'm acting like that. I don't give a damn. Of course, you know me. About anybody, I don't give a damn.
I can see my son is in love.
Is that what you call love?
Yes. It's a good feeling. If you like her, if you love her, you have to work extra hard in order to make sure you get her heart.
Mom, you failed in that part. I cannot stress myself like that to be working extra hard. Come on, she's not money. You work extra hard when it comes to do with money. Not the energy for that, please.
Son, value does not come so cheap. I mean, if you love her, go get her.
Really?
Yeah.
And what did you say?
Me, I told him I'm not interested or...
What did you say? Kainene, you are joking. I said you are joking. The prince asked you to marry him and you turned him down. Kainene, I now see you hate good things. But I, your mother, will force out that evil spirit in you.
Eh? I don't understand what I did wrong. I only told him I have someone else I'm in love with. So what is the problem?
You shut up before Amadioha bring out your tongue.
Mama!
What do you know about love? Eh? What has that offer Manukopa have to offer? You have been offered the world on a platter of gold. You tossed it away because of that stupid Yoruba boy.
Oh, Mama, please. Please. Femi is not stupid.
Will you shut up? Kainene, do you like this kind of life? Look at where we live. Eh? And you want to spit out the honey placed in your mouth. Why?
Mama, please. I don't care what any other person has to say. Me, I cannot get married to someone I don't have feelings for. Period.
Inusige Tinyajara. Kainene, look at me. Have I not suffered enough? Have I not suffered? Eh? On a matter of now, what is this?
Mama, why are you crying now? What is it? Eh? Why are you crying? Mama, please stop it. Stop. I don't like what you're doing.
God has decided to favor me, but you want to be a hindrance. Mama, why?
Please stop it. I don't. Why? Is that why you're crying?
Why would I cry?
Why
would I cry?
Mama, please.
What did I do?
Oh, Mama, please stop. Stop. I don't like what.
Kainene, what did I do to you? Why? Oh God. What is all this now? What is all this? Eh? Do I deserve this suffering? Do I deserve it? Oh my God. Hey! It will not work. No.
Would you told me you went to the palace to see the prince?
Yes, he sent his guards to come and pick me up.
And you followed them?
I had no choice.
Of course. You had no choice. It's not as if they bundled you into the car.
Femi!
Do you like the prince? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to sound that way. Okay?
But you did.
See, Kainene, I've grown to be fond of you. I don't want to lose you.
Femi. And who says you're going to lose me?
What does the prince want from you? Why did he invite you to the palace?
He says he wants to get married.
What?
No, but I already told him I have someone else. Oh, Femi, come on. He has no choice because there is no way I am going to get married to that psychopath. It's not possible. Femi, it's you I want. It's you my heart beats for. And nothing is going to change that. Okay? I just need you to trust me. Hmm? Look at you. Lovely. You should realize. Well, this your jealousy is kind of cute and assuring.
Get away.
Look at you. I actually feel like kissing you, but no.
My son, please tell the prince that I've received it. I am so grateful. May God continue to bless him for us. Oh, please. Tell him I say thank you.
He'll hear. I'll be on my way now.
All right. Bye-bye. Oh, Onyezi Kambo. Hey!
Mama.
What are all these things? The prince, your future husband, brought all this for us. Not only that,
Mama, you cannot accept these things on my behalf. Oh, you can't. You cannot accept these things on my behalf.
Clean out your mouth. Can't accept what? Your future husband, the potential father to my grandchildren, brought me gifts. And you said I should not accept it. Hey, Mama, I can see you've lost it.
Onye, Mua. Mama, please. I'm not touching any of those.
Come back here.
Oh, Mama, please. Mama, stop all these things. I have told you severally I am not going to marry the prince, and nothing is going to make me change my mind. Please.
Kainene, what is wrong with you, my daughter? Out of all the maidens in this kingdom, he chose you. This is a lifetime opportunity. What is wrong with you?
Mama, I will not marry the prince. Even if he gives me the whole world, it will not work.
Hey! My enemies are at work. Those that does not want me to eat any good thing, they are using you. They are using you, Kaina and Nechu.
Oh, Mama, please, can you stop? There is no enemy that is at work here. Nobody is at work. But I will not marry the prince, period. So, or you prepare and marry him yourself.
Nechu, I am still your mother and you don't talk to me like that. Listen to me, Kaina. Whether you like it or not, you don't even have any choice in it. You must marry the prince with my lips. You must marry him. More soggy, more not soggy. Inania.
Mama.
Again.
You want me to marry a man who does not have respect for women. You want me to marry a man who doesn't care about any other person except himself. Mama, a pervert.
What do you need respect for? You are a woman. You should be the one respecting him, not the other way around. Okay, let's look at the bigger picture. You will never lack again.
How about my own happiness?
Happy. You'll be happy. The future queen of Ogidi Kingdom. You will be happy.
Mama, I can't believe you're willing to sell me off for just a pot of porridge.
No. Pot of correction. This is not a pot of porridge. Look at it. Pot of porridge. This is bigger than pot of porridge.
Mama, I will not marry the prince. Period.
Kainene, you come back here, I'm still talking. Kainene!
You can go and marry him yourself.
No problem. Go and come back. No one know. Call up me on Allah. There we go. Come again.
Do you like it?
Of course.
Femi, why do people think they can always have their way because they have loads of money to throw around? Why?
I definitely told him off. My love for you is not for sale.
But you know he's not going to give up easily, you know that, right?
Neither am I. Giving up is not an option for me. My love for you will weather every storm.
Thank you.
Mama, enemy of progress. Leave us alone. Leave her alone to enjoy what God has prepared for her. Leave us alone.
Mama.